All right, pre-algebra faithful, welcome back. Today we are looking at discount and markup. This is lesson 7.5 on it. Well, from unit 7.5. I know it says lesson 6.5. It's chapter 6 in the book. So what is discount? What is markup? You probably see discounts all the time. This is when you take a percent off of an item. And markup is the opposite. You're going to take a percent and add it to an item. Markup occurs when you take an item and it costs a certain amount to make it, and you add a percent to sell it, so that way your company can make money. If you don't have markups, you don't have business. So we need markups to allow for businesses to occur, which is a good thing. So let's jump into it. Here we go. I can't even read the problem because myself is in the way. Find the selling price if a store pays $75 for a bike and the markup is 40%. So first thing we need to do is we need to find out what the markup is. So we're going to take 75 times 40%. Okay? What is the amount of markup? 75 times 40%. $30 for a markup. Well, I'm out of the page here. Okay, so we take $30 to markup. That's how much money they're going to make on the bike. Plus $75 is $105 total. So you're going to pay $105. Okay, and that includes paying for the store, all the employees, and all that stuff. Okay. Now, discount is the opposite of that. It's where you take a percent off. So let's take a look here. We're on page 276 now. Amazon, a magazine subscription has a cover price, I said Amazon, of $35. It's on sale for 67% off the original price. Find the sale price. So we're going to do the same thing here. Take the percent times the amount, 35 times 0.67, $23.45 off. So now instead of adding, we're going to take away from $35, and I get $11.55. Remember, we're talking about money, so you need dollar symbol in your answer. It doesn't need to be in your work. So we know that's how much the magazines cost. Now, how do you do problems where you know the discounted price and have to work your way backwards to the original price? This is where that percent proportion or equation come in handy. So Louisa got a 75% discount on the sofa. She paid a total of $225. So let's set this up. I'm going to use a proportion. I think a lot of kids find that easier. But we could do an equation if you wanted to. I'll just set up the equation for you. She paid a total of $225. So we know that's how much she paid. That's the part. I almost set this up wrong. You got to be careful. What was the original price? Now, she got a 75% discount. So that means it was 75% off. So she really only paid 25% of the price. So that means this is only 25% of the price. So when you're doing these backwards problems, you've got to take the discount percent away from 100. Does that make sense? Okay. I know you can't talk back to me, but maybe you're talking to yourself. If that's the case, maybe we have bigger problems. All right, do your cross multiply and divide thing, and you get 25W. You know, I talk to myself. It's called thinking.
Good afternoon, Lake Town.
All right, now that the bells are done ringing and the announcements are done, we have 25W equals 22,500. We divide by 25 because it's multiplied, so you do the opposite. And we get $900 as the original price. That is a sweet deal. Way to go. Don't forget your dollar sign. Louisa. All right. So now, what do we do here? Where we have a sales tax and a discount. Now, I'm going to show you something interesting with this. Does it matter if you do the discount first or the sales tax first? You can do it on your own, but you can trust me that it doesn't matter mathematically if you do discount or tax first. Remember, a tax is a type of markup. But, however, the government should not get more money than they deserve. So you should do the discount first, okay? Just because that's the way it's calculated in real life. So I'm going to show you a little trick here and it's based off of what we just did on this last problem, where we did 25%, right? 225 is 25% of the whole. What you can do is you can take your percent away from or add it to 100, and what it'll do is it will give you your final answer right away. So if I take 1195 times 80%, and then take that answer times 105.5%,